I'm officially releasing the Simple Forex membership slash course. I just combined everything into one. When you get the membership, you get the course and you get everything. Here is a list of everything you're gonna get. So you're going to get the course, which has over 3 hours of content for you to watch. I will be uploading weekly just for members only. I will be doing live trading. I will be doing live outlooks for the week. I will review some of your trades and a whole lot more. Now I'll be uploading videos just for the Discord, and these will be videos that I won't be releasing on YouTube because I want to keep them pretty private and only to my members. For example, there has been a volume profile trick that I've been using for the longest time, and I use it while I'm trading, and I haven't been sharing it specifically on YouTube just because I don't want this information to get out. Kind of something private that I do. But I have this video right here, and this will be for the Discord members only. So if you want to become a member, my link will be down below in the description. It will just bring you to my website, and from here on you can get your membership for Discord, and that's where you'll have access to everything. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so usually in the mornings I like to trade more volatile pairs like US30 or gold. Today we're going to be trading US30. It moves the fastest and it moves the cleanest in the morning. So when I'm scalping in the morning, I usually look for different setups that are, a little bit different from my main trading style. This is because in the morning the pairs can be pretty volatile, and especially US30, as you can already see right here. You see this chunk of movement right here. It's just going crazy. It's all over the place. However, I do have a certain way I like to trade when this is kind of volatile like this, and it's going to be a lot different than normal price action like something like this. So today I'm gonna just take some trades. I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking, and then we're gonna go over each trade after and tell you exactly what kind of went on in my head and the reason why I took each trade. Okay, what's going on? We have our 52K account right here. We just have over 50K on this account, and this is the account we're going to be trading with today. So right away I'm actually going to go ahead and take a buy right here with a 0.6 lot. So this will be $6 per pip. So the reason why I took this trade is actually because, as you can see, price is very volatile right now, and this is the lowest low of this volatile section that's going on right here. So price is actually dipping in right here to fake out a bunch of traders, people who are looking for sells. So this is actually a good opportunity to buy for me, because as you can see, price came down and then immediately dipped back up. This shows that there's a lot of orders that were placed right here and a lot of sellers who are going to get stopped out. So yeah, we'll be back in a bit. Okay, cool. So we are actually up $200 right now, and we're just going to go ahead and close that. So just like that, in a matter of a couple minutes, we just closed a trade out for $234. Because we're scalping, we're gonna go and look for the next trade. Now, if any of you are looking for a solid broker, I highly recommend signing up with Hango Trade. They are very excellent. Their withdrawals are really good. Spreads as low as 0 pips, leverage up to 500 leverage, especially for you scalpers out there. Okay, cool. So we're already up $230 on the day. I am actually gonna go ahead and take a sell right here. Cool, and then this one's gonna be a quick scalp. Hopefully just gonna try to make about $100 off of this one. Are up 78. Cool. I know it can push down a little bit more, so we're gonna wait till there. Boom. Okay, cool. So we are out of that trade for $120, and just like that, it's been not even half an hour. We're already up $300 for the day. Actually, just a little bit more. We're already up about $340 for the day. So right here, normally I would just end it and probably just wait for the next day. We're already up $300 for the day, which is good. But we can keep trading a little bit more. We're just gonna wait around to see if we see any more trades. Okay, so as you can see, price has heavily reflected off of this top zone. So we actually are just gonna do a simple trade here, where we are going to take price back down to this lower level again, kind of in this range right now. So I am going to take a nice little sell right about now. Cool. So yeah, we are in that sell, and we're literally just gonna take price back down to this low here. Okay, cool. We are actually coming straight down to where we predicted price would come to. We're not going to get greedy and we're not going to try to take it right at the very bottom. So we are going to go ahead and actually close out this trade right now. If we waited till price touched it, who knows, it could reverse from here just like that. See, as we come down to this zone, there is going to be more liquidity. So I just went ahead and closed it automatically for another $420. So on the whole entire day, we are up $780, and I've been sitting here for about 40 minutes. So we are going to close out our day. This is good because this is a no loss day. We pretty much didn't go in much drawdown at all. This is the thing about scalping. You want to be really quick in and out of your trades before anything else can happen. So just like that, I'm sitting here for maybe half an hour, and we are already almost up $800 for the day. This will be enough for us till tomorrow. And yeah, other than that, let's go ahead and explain each trade that we took and just give you guys a little bit more insight on why I took each trade. Okay, so this was the first trade I took here. I took a buy here and we ran it up to 306.29. So this trade was really simple to me. I saw that we were in this range here. This is kind of the range that we were going to play within today, and as you can see, we did. Now the reason I took a buy here is because right here this clearly speaks to me that this was a little dip into this zone under here, and then because it retraced back into our range so quickly, and I saw this right here is where a lot of traders would have taken sells because they see price breaking this low. They would have probably entered a sell right here and then immediately went up into drawdown. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. So for me, I knew this was a good buy opportunity because right here was a bunch of liquidity and we did not want to see price go any lower. We probably had a lot of retail traders get stopped out, or at least went into a lot of drawdown, because right after that price ran up to this high here. Whenever I'm trading within these ranges, I like to look for liquidity, and I see we have a lot of liquidity right here and right here because of these wicks. So I kind of already know that when you're in this range, the middle zone right here is already going to have a lot of liquidity going on. So I kind of knew we could take price at least back up to the middle. This is why I usually close my trades when we come back up to the middle, or we'll close at the top or at the bottom. But because we were trading up, the closest exit would have been this middle zone here. So I closed it just right there. So that was a really simple trade for me. Now the next trade that we took, we ended up taking a sell at the top. We took it at 59. So we took our sell at 711. So this trade was really simple for me. I know because we're trading in this range that price, there's no way price could just soar straight through this and keep going. I know we had to get a little bit of liquidity and a little bit of resistance off of this top here. So we managed to get in really well just at the top here. And I knew we could at least get a quick scalp. I didn't want to hold it all the way back to the middle. I wasn't going to hold it all the way back to here, but I knew we can at least just get a nice little quick scalp out of that. So that was a nice little $126 scalp for us. And then the final trade was also really simple for me. So we took a nice sell down here. So we take a nice little sell out here. For me, this was pretty simple. I saw that price was having a hard time breaking the bottom of these wicks here. As you can see, price kept pushing back down into it. And then we had this nice little close here, which indicated that price at least wanted to come back down to test this zone once again. And usually when you have a nice little kind of fake out here, usually what will happen is price will fake some retail traders out, go to the top, trick some traders into taking buys, and then go its real intended direction, which is down. And if we let this play out, we'll actually probably see that price, if we do exit out of replay mode here, you can see that price wanted to break below here once again, which it did, and we'll most likely see price come up here, and then price probably continue down to at least these levels here. We'll most likely see something like that happen. But anyways, so yeah, we took this trade here because we knew price would at least return down to the zone once again, which it did. That's why we said we were going to take profit at this bottom line here. We ended up taking profit a little bit short of it just in case, and that was a nice $438 trade for us. So just like that, we were up $780 for the day. I hope you enjoyed these explanations and this quick live trading session. I will be doing live trading sessions in the future for members only. So when I finally release my course, I'm gonna have a Discord and my own members. So you will get to see me trade live, not just on YouTube. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching.